Okay, so I'm going to step back here. It may take you a second to even figure out what I've changed about this problem here, because I've really only changed one thing. Can you find it? Take a look for a second. I'll step out of the way. Find it? There's only one thing that's different. Instead of having an MPC of 0.8, I'm saying 0.75. So notice, are people spending more or are they spending less now? They're spending less. So when they get that, so when Mr. Sutton gets that paycheck from the government for building those roads, am I going to go out and spend as much? No, I'm not going to consume as much. So that should give you a hint here. Do you think the government's going to have to spend more or spend less to close this $50 gap? Take a guess and see if you turn out right here. Also, if you think you know how to do this without Mr. Sutton right now, if you think you can find the multiplier, I'm going to step back so you can pause it and see again. Go right ahead and then check yourself as I do the problem in just a second. Okay, so here's what you got to do. So I got my marginal propensity to consume. 1 over 1 minus 0.75 is my formula to get my multiplier, to figure out how much additional spending, much boost I get from my government spending initially. So that I know, I've done this many times. 1 over 1 minus 0.75 gives me 0.25. So 1 over 0.25 equals 4. All right, I'm with that. And so I got 4 here. And my initial change now, oh, I didn't come up with an easy number here. What's 50 divided by 4? 12 and a half? 12 and a half. 12 and a half. Notice the government has to spend more in this example because people are not consuming as much in this multiplier effect here. They're holding on to more of their dollars. They're saving more of their dollars. Versus when we had a higher marginal propensity to consume, people got that money and they were going out and they were shelling it out much more easily or freely than they are in this example. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you a little extra credit and make kind of practice with your multiple marginal propensity consumes and turning them into multipliers on Edmodo. So check that out for a little extra credit right before the end of the marking period. If you have any questions, let me know.